As vaccine demand dies down, healthcare professionals continue to push for a return to normalcy by way of the shot.
Yeah, United Regional wants to make it easy to get vaccinated, now offering walk-in appointments at its CarePlus clinic, but not without some education first.
It's not an easy choice.
We get it, like this is hard. It's hard to make this decision, not only for yourself, not only for your family, but for your neighbor, for your grandparents, for your loved ones, and it takes a lot of thought.
The COVID-19 vaccine continues causing controversy, but United Regional family physician Dr. Michael Henderson says the goal of it making illness from the virus less severe is being reached.
We're seeing good results from that, and it's certainly encouraging to look at the hospital numbers, the COVID death rate recently.
The United Regional Physician Group opens vaccines up by way of its CarePlus clinic, open 7 days a week and free of charge.
Having a walk-in clinic, especially having the COVID vaccine available, is super convenient because people don't have to call or wait for an appointment. They can come in at their convenience, and we're ready to give you a vaccine.
Before walking in and rolling up their sleeves, Henderson says his patients often are concerned about how quickly the vaccine was rolled out.
They've done a lot of testing. The ingredients are much less than even other vaccinations. It is a really difficult decision. I battled with that. Before I got my vaccination, I said, let me do all the research I can, and yes, I want to get protected myself, but I also would like to protect my neighbor.
If you decide getting the shot is what you want to do, the actual act of the trip to the doctor for it is a pretty simple one.
The process is really easy. You come into our clinic, a nurse will greet you and bring you back to a room, just like if you were to get a flu vaccine. They ask you a few questions, you get the vaccine, you wait a few minutes just to make sure there's no immediate reactions, and then you're off.
Now that the hard part's over, allow time for your body to react.
One of the telltale signs that their body is creating antibodies is that they feel ill after the second vaccination. It's not fun. I've had it. And you feel like you're sick. You're like, what happened? And it's your body's responding, saying, hey, we see something new. Let's build up our immunity to it. And now we're protected when it comes back again.
A heavy decision may be made lighter by the ease of a walk-in appointment and physicians there to answer your questions.
Now, the CarePlus clinic is open 7:30 in the morning to 7 at night, 7 days a week.